Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. Now, press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen, like this. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you should see this edit icon under the watch face, and if you tap on it, you will be able to customize it. And right here we can change the widget basically on the watch face. We can keep tapping to change between widgets, as you can see, and once you're done, you can press the select button to apply the changes, like this. You can also change the watch face via the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Zep application on it. So let's zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of our phone, like this. Open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. Select the Amazfit T Rex 2 from the list of devices. And here you should see the watch faces option. Tap on it. And then select the Mine category. And right here you have the list of watch faces on your watch. You can tap on one to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.